Have you ever sat at a restaurant and looked at the menu and felt a little scared?
Yes, many times.
The server is coming and you think, oh no, I don't know what to say.
Yes, and your heart goes fast.
And you just smile and point at the menu.
Oh yes, that is me too. Hello everyone. Slowly, welcome back to English Nest Podcast.
We are very happy you are here with us today.
My name is Anna.
And my name is Leo.
Today's topic is very simple.
Ordering food at a restaurant.
We will talk slowly.
We will use easy words.
You are safe here.
And you are doing great. Really. But wait, Anna, before we start, we should talk to our friends listening.
Oh yes, you are right. Hello friends.
If you like learning English with us, please click the like button right now.
And if you are new here, welcome. We're happy you are here.
Please subscribe to English Nest Podcast channel.
And share this podcast with your family and friends who are learning English too.
We want to help everyone. Okay, now let's learn some easy words and phrases.
We will use them later in our talk. Listen slowly. Pause.
Phrase 1. Restaurant. It is a place to eat food.
I go to a restaurant with my family.
We eat dinner at a small restaurant.
Phrase 2. Menu. It is the paper with food names.
I read the menu before I order.
The menu has many pictures.
Phrase 3. I'd like. It is a polite way to ask for food. I'd like some rice, please.
I'd like a salad, please.
Phrase 4. Can I have? It also means you want something. Can I have some water, please?
Can I have a sandwich, please?
Phrase 5. What do you recommend? It means, what is good here? What do you recommend today?
What food is good here?
Phrase 6. For here or to go? Eat here or take home? For here, please.
To go, please.
Phrase 7. Anything else? The server asks if you want more. They say, anything else?
I say, no thank you.
Phrase 8. That's all. It means no more food. That's all, thank you.
Yes, that's all.
Phrase 9. How much is it? You ask the price. How much is the soup?
How much is this meal?
Phrase 10. Check, please. You want to pay. Check, please.
Can I have the check, please?
Phrase 11. It's very good. You like the food. The food is very good.
This is very good.
Phrase 12. I'm full. You are not hungry now. I'm full. I can't eat more.
I'm full, but it was nice.
Phrase 13. No problem. It means it is okay. No problem. I can wait.
No problem at all.
Phrase 14. Thank you. Be polite and kind. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, Anna, now let's go to a restaurant.
Yes, let's go. I am hungry.
We sit down. We get the menu.
I look at the menu. Many foods.
I feel a little nervous.
That's okay. I feel nervous too sometimes.
The server is coming.
Okay, we can do this.
Hi.
Hi, welcome.
Slowly. Can I have some water, please?
Of course, no problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I look at the menu again.
What do you see?
I see rice, soup, chicken, and salad.
That sounds good.
I don't know what to choose.
You can ask.
Pause. What do you recommend?
Our chicken is very good today.
Okay, I'd like the chicken, please.
Sure, for here or to go?
For here, please.
Anything else?
I'd like some soup, too.
No problem.
That's all. Thank you.
Okay, I will bring your food soon.
Smile. That was not too bad.
You did great.
Sometimes I am scared to speak.
Me too. But we try. That is important.
The food is coming.
Oh, it looks very good.
Wow, this smells nice.
Yes, let's eat.
Pause. It's very good.
I'm happy you like it.
How about your food?
It's very good too.
I am full now.
Me too. I can't eat more.
Now we want to pay.
Yes, we ask for the check.
Slowly. Check, please.
Sure.
How much is it?
It is $20.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Anna, sometimes I eat alone at a restaurant.
Really? How do you feel?
At first, I feel shy,
Yes, that can feel strange.
but then I relax.
That's good. Eating alone is okay.
I like to sit and think.
I like to watch people.
Sometimes I practice English in my head.
That is very smart.
I say, I'd like in my head.
And check, please. Do you have a favorite food at restaurants?
Yes, I like noodles.
Oh, I like noodles too.
They are easy to eat.
And very tasty.
Yes,
Sometimes I like soup.
soup is nice on cold days.
Yes, very warm and good.
And easy to say, soup, smile. Sometimes I make small mistakes when I speak.
That's okay. Everyone makes mistakes.
One time I said the wrong food.
Oh no, what happened?
I wanted chicken,
Okay.
but I said fish.
Ah,
Did you eat it?
yes, I was shy to say no. That's okay too.
But next time I will say.
Yes, you can say sorry.
Or, can I change it?
Yes, that is good.
People are usually kind.
Yes, most people want to help. Now, friends, it is your turn to practice.
Repeat after me. Say it out loud. Pause. I'd like some rice, please.
I'd like some rice, please.
Can I have water, please?
Can I have water, please?
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
For here, please.
For here, please.
To go, please.
To go, please.
That's all, thank you.
That's all, thank you.
Check, please.
Check, please.
It's very good.
It's very good.
I'm full.
I'm full.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Great job. Now answer these questions. You can answer at home. Pause.
Anna, what food do you like to order at a restaurant?
Example. I like chicken.
Do you eat for here or to go?
Example. For here, please.
What do you say when you want to pay?
Example. Check, please.
What do you say when you like the food?
Example. It's very good.
How do you feel when you order in English?
Example. I feel a little nervous but happy. Anna, today was very nice.
Yes, we talked about simple things.
Ordering food,
Saying, I'd like,
asking for the check.
and saying thank you.
These are small words,
But they help a lot in real life.
and you don't need to be perfect.
Just try. That is enough.
We are proud of you.
Yes, very proud. Before we go, we have 2 questions for you.
First question. What food do you like to order at a restaurant?
Second question, do you eat for here or to go?
Please write your answers in the comments.
Write in English. It is great practice.
We love reading your comments. It makes us happy.
If you enjoyed our chat today,
Please subscribe to English Nest Podcast channel and give us a like.
and share this episode with your friends who want to practice English.
We wish you a peaceful day
A calm mind.
and happy English learning.
See you next time. Bye-bye.